Do you have limited space but love gardening? Worry not. Container gardening is that solution. This ingenious method allows you to cultivate your green thumb in smaller areas, offering numerous benefits. Now, let's delve into the practical steps to create your own container garden. The first step in successful container gardening is choosing the right containers. You should consider the plant type, ensuring good drainage, and picking an adequate size. Remember, your plants' homes matter as much as their care. With the right containers, half the battle is won. But what comes next? Once you have your containers, the next step is filling them with the appropriate soil. Consider loamy soil, a balanced blend of sand, silt, and clay. It's perfect for container gardening. Remember to keep it nutrient-rich and well-drained. Soil is the foundation of your garden. Now let's move on to the fun part, planting. Now that you have your containers and soil ready, it's time to start planting. Gently place your seeds or seedlings in the soil, ensuring they're properly spaced. Remember, regular watering, ample sunlight, and diligent care are key. With these tips, you're well on your way to creating a thriving container garden. Container gardening is a wonderful way to enjoy gardening, even in limited spaces. Remember, choose the right containers, select the appropriate soil, and care for your plants. Enjoy the process and the fruits of your labor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.